Fiber to fabric. Fibers are the thin threads or filaments which form a yarn. Yarn is defined as a long, twisted and continuous strand composed of interlocked fibers. The fibers are first converted into long, continuous length of interlocked fibers called yarns, and these yarns are used to produce a fabric by suitable methods such as knitting and weaving. Fibers are broadly classified into two types, natural and synthetic. Natural fibers are obtained from either plant or animal sources, whereas synthetic fibers are obtained from chemical substances. Plant fibers include cotton, jute, hemp and coir, whereas animal fibers include wool and silk. Nylon and polyester are examples of synthetic fibers. Cotton. Cotton is world's most popular plant fiber. It is obtained from cotton plant, which is a shrub. The cotton shrubs grow well in black soil. It requires a warm climate with moderate rainfall. The cotton plant bears fruits called cotton balls. When they are ripe, the cotton balls burst, exposing the seeds surrounded by soft cotton fibers. Ginning. Ginning of cotton can be defined as the process of separating cotton fibers from cotton seeds. Traditionally, ginning used to be done by hand, but these days machines called double roller cotton ginning machines are widely in use. Spinning. Spinning is the process of constructing yarn from fibers, in which fibers from a huge heap of cotton wool are taken out and twisted, which brings them together to form a yarn. There are two major devices called takli, which is a hand spindle, and charkha, which is also a hand-operated device, which are used for spinning. The spinning of yarn on a bigger scale is done using spinning machines. Khadi was the clothes which were made from homespun yarn. Jute. Jute is a natural fiber with a golden silky shine and hence is popularly known as the golden fiber. It is obtained from the bast or skin of the plant stem and is the second most important plant fiber after cotton. It is biodegradable and recyclable and thus environmental friendly. Jute plant mainly grows in the places that have high temperature and plenty of rainfall. Some jute producing Indian states are Bihar, Assam and West Bengal. The plant is harvested during its flowering stage. The stems of these harvested plants are then soaked in water for 4 to 5 days. The stems are left to rot and then the fibers are picked out by hand. The fibers are made into yarn by twisting the strands together. Yarn to fabric. There are two major ways using which yarn is converted to fabric, namely weaving and knitting. Weaving. Weaving is the process of making fabric by crisscrossing the two sets of threads or yarns. Knitting. Knitting is the process of making woolen fabric by interlocking loops of the yarn. So plant fibers like cotton. Cotton is obtained from the fruit of the plant, that is called as cotton ball, and jute is obtained from the bast or skin of the plant stem.